Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, but it is not a handbag or earrings or shoes. This is a luxury item for my home. Of course, I got it on sale. Of course, I got it at Bloomingdale's. So I had to share it with you because this was an amazing deal. I always say that, but it was an amazing deal. It's a company that has been around since the 1780s in Ireland, and they make amazing crystal. It's a Waterford item. In our family, if you've seen my Instagram, we're really big into fresh flowers in the house, like everybody, even my teenage son. We just love to have a beautiful bouquet in the center of our house of fresh flowers going on. So I saw this item on sale, and I was getting tired of the vase that we're using right now, and some of our other vases are smaller. So I saw this one and I said, oh, I gotta get it. I do want to get into baccarat, but I'm going to wait until there are no people in this house except for myself and my husband, because I don't want to have something accidentally break that I've spent hundreds of dollars on, well, lots of money on. So for right now, Waterford is just as good. And that is what I bought, so that's what I'm gonna unbox. It came today, so I just popped open the cardboard. Ugh, this is heavy. So here's the box. Waterford. They are out of Ireland. They were started in Ireland. Oh my goodness, they wrap this really, really well, and it's heavy. Oh. See Waterford paper on it. Like, dude, this is heavy. Oh my goodness. And if my kids break this, it's still going to be war. Okay. Look at this baby. Look at that. And I'll take some photos, of course, the next few days and put it on my IG. That's the inside. Has the Waterford sticker. That's the bottom. Okay, let me put this down. I can't wait to put flowers in it after I'm done with this unboxing. And it was $300 when I saw it on the Bloomingdale's website. Doggy. When I saw it on the Bloomingdale's website, it was $180. I don't know what day it is, but this sale that they have going on right now, I believe ends on the 25th. So I got an additional 25% off. So I paid $135 for a $300 Waterford vase. And of course I earned Loyalist points with Bloomingdale's, which serves me for the next purchase that I make. But yeah, so what is that? $165 savings. And since, like I said, we are very much into fresh flowers, that is an item that is going to be used frequently and often in our house. And so it was worth the $300, but I'll take it at $135. I have no idea how much this thing weighs, but it's heavy. It's heavier than her. So I'm going to go put some fresh flowers in this. I think this sale ends on the 25th, so I know I'm losing my days in quarantine, so I don't think it's the 25th yet. But yeah, if I can get this up today and you see it, then you can go take advantage of this sale and see what all they have going on for the home clothing. And I do believe they have some handbags on sale, so they do have some designer brands there at Bloomingdale's as well. So there you go, sale tip. All right, I will see you in my next video. Take care. Say bye, Sebby. Say bye. Say bye.